Hi guys, this is Brian, and following along with the Ben Eater 6502 project, I put together this test rig. Um, so we have the 6502 and 4 parallel to serial shift registers, so that I can take each one's 8-bit. So first two are the 16 bits from the address. The next 8 are the monitor the data lines, and then the last 8 will be for all the various flags. Um, so these get fed into a Raspberry Pi Zero right here. So I wanted to get try this with a telnet interface. So that's why I'm using the Pi Zero, and it can it can send it can monitor the 24 different lines, and then here this is feeding out from the Pi to a 245 8-bit latch, so that can be turned on optionally to feed the data. I have reset line and the clock line, etc. So this LED display monitors the address lines, and this one monitors the data. This is the read-write, and then this is from the Pi to turn on the output. So both of them go through a NAND gate to control the set the output enable low on the 245. Okay, so just got kind of the first version of a Python script here. Okay, so we have, let's go to the mouse. So these different controls, so I can, let's start down here, like do the D command, and then this lets me set whichever byte I want for the input. EA is the no op, and so we can see that show up down here. Just show that like 1, so 1 is over there, least significant bits on the right for both of these. Don't really like it that way, but just the way it was. 8.0. Okay, so I got that. You can use H to turn off the output if when the 6502 is sending data out, have to turn off this 245 here because you don't want to short out anything. Okay, so these well, this latch on, latch off serial input, these 3 were mainly there to help while I was wiring up those parallel to serial registers, so I really don't use those anymore. I have this pulse LED, so just an emotional support LED. When things start going weird, that's just a good little test. Make sure things are still working and voltages are just, not screwing up too bad. This Python script has the 6502 reset process. If I go to go to R, I can tell it which address to reset to. And so this output window, lets me see what it's doing. It does the set reset to low, 2 pulses goes to high. You have the 7 clock cycles that it goes through, resetting all of its internals, and then 8 and 9 is where it takes the address. So now it's sitting at address 3456. I can set the data to the no-op EA, and as you can see, it will do as expected. Every 2 clock pulses, it'll increase the address. So I can try out the jump command, which is 4C. If I want to jump to 5644, put in 4C 4456. I got the 4C 44. I hit P to pulse the CPU manually. 6. There, successful at 5644. I have to remember to go back to the no-op EA, and there it goes. And it'll hit P, and it'll run through the addresses that way. So yeah, so this will this test rig will let me experiment with the different 6502 commands. I've dusted off my 6502 book from back when I was a teenager in 1979. So finally get to use that again, and that's that. So alright, so have fun with the project, and looking forward to learning a lot. Take care, bye.